About this item: anti-ghosting keyboard. All 87 mechanical keys are conflict-free for ultimate gaming performance. Featuring 11 multimedia keys, non-slip ergonomic, splash-proof design with adjustable rear feet for the perfect typing angle, high-speed USB cable with gold-plated corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection which will stand up to fast hardcore gaming, mechanical switches for reliable response, tankless mechanical gaming keyboard. E-YOOSO K630 with small, compact and adopted professional mechanical switches, which offers quicker and springier response. Offering total of 3 switch options for different crisp sounds, enhanced typing enjoyment and precise tactile feedback for your ultimate gaming performance. Cool LED backlight design. E-YOOSO K630 LED mechanical gaming keyboard with 9 colors, light modes and 5 level of backlight brightness. Its keycaps come with double shot injection model, offering crystal clear uniform backlighting and lettering that doesn't scratch off. ABS construction, ultra thin and light. Forget your old keyboard with a really clunky design and go for a new one which is compact, thin, light, and a sleek design. The E-YOOSO 87 keys mechanical keyboard is perfect for you. This keyboard is constructed of ABS plastic, making it light and thin while providing durability. It is great for both gaming and typing. Wide compatibility and after-sales guarantee. E-YOOSO K630 mechanical gaming keyboard is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, limited Mac OS. If you find any problems with the product, please contact us. You can return or exchange for free under 12 months.